I said, "Are you guys bots?" And it changed my game? What? I don't know what to do. Help y'all. And then I get this text. It says, then I get
you
this
figured
button.
me out,
It
have
says
fun as
sorry,
the
like
sever
what's
of real
going on.
people.
It's time to go home. It's time to go home. You don't have a home. It's
Then I said, in the Roblox chat, and I said, I just said, are you guys bots? And it teleported me. And then I was like, are you guys bots? To see if the owner was lying.